ECDL Advanced, Excel, Lesson 49, Sorting Data. This is the start of Section 11. There's going to be 4 lessons within this section. The first one is going to be sorting data, then performing multiple sorts, followed by creating and using custom lists, and finally performing custom sorts. So let's begin with Lesson 49, Sorting Data. Ranges of cells in a worksheet can be sorted so that the rows in the range are arranged in a specific order. The column used to control the sort is called the sort key. Okay, so if you start a new blank workbook, enter a column of 8 names, either surnames or first names, starting in cell B3. So as you can see, I've already done that on the screen. We now want to sort the names into ascending alphabetical order. To do this, highlight the range to be sorted, that's B3 to B10. And from the Home tab, if we look in the Editing group, click Sort and Filter. And then select Sort A to Z. OK, done. Selecting the whole range to be sorted is not strictly necessary in this example, but this shows the technique of sorting cells that may be part of a larger worksheet. With the range still selected, sort it into descending order using the Sort Z to A button. So again, Sort and Filter, and this time Sort Z to A. And now it's in reverse alphabetical order. Next, let's add ages in years into column C adjacent to the names. To sort all of the data in ascending order of age, highlight the range B3 to C10, and this time from the Sort and Filter drop-down, select Custom Sort. Select column C from Sort By, smallest to largest from Order, and then click OK to perform the sort. OK, it has now taken each of these rows that have been selected and reordered them so that we now have the entries in order from smallest to largest. OK, that's the end of this lesson. If you could close the workbook without saving. And in the next lesson, we're going to be discussing multiple column sorts. That will be lesson 50. OK, I look forward to seeing you then.